Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is Sha, and if you didn't know, you know, I'm here with Chantal. If you don't subscribe to our channel yet,
What I do?
oh no, no, I'm a friend. Oh no, I'm a friend.
Right, true.
So yeah, go over to our channel, Chantal.
Subscribe, like,
Make sure to subscribe.
comment, hit that post notification bell so you won't miss a video when I post.
Follow her on Instagram at excuse_my beauty_23. Make sure to follow me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. At Sisha seat, I go always there.
In
the corner, yeah. And in the screen. So yeah, do what you need to do. So today, we know some men are really want prank girl, but today we are going to prank. Today, we know some men are really want prank person like that, but we are going to prank some people.
Yes, sir.
So Sabrina's World on YouTube and my niece's world, we're going to prank the two of them today. There's no way they're going to come over and we're going to prank them. So right now,
No way.
so right now we're trying to set up the camera.
Sure.
And what else I'm trying?
We're trying to set up the camera right there,
So that's
but
the
it don't
camera.
work.
Nothing now work out.
So we're trying our best to
I don't feel like say this I go feel. I never tell no one kind of prank we are do. So we are gonna tell them say, listen, we don't like none of them. Me don't like them and them can't stay. Them can't stay. We don't want them here. Them need to leave. Come and do no video with them. Come and like them. Never know say them. I'm gonna like them. So just stay tuned because I know so that prank I go
be a banger. It's gonna be a lit
epic.
one.
Okay.
Epic.
So
guys, what may I say?
just stay tuned. We see you in our next clip. Alright? I'm gonna realize there's something wrong. The box you have to use. You know nothing else.
Oh shit.
Yeah. This is the camera. But the thing is, from front to you know, it a show.
It a show now front way.
Yeah.
I'm a rated camera and go so big too.
Good evening.
We'll go feed. Oh, yeah, you know? So that's going to be a food right over this. You guys will go there. I'll be a problem. So now we are here.
She has that.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
You never have ideas yet. You never have ideas. I'm going to look for some good. This one. Alright, so we're going to do a true charge and we're going to do children process. So she's showing out. Let's see what
Sabrina were out there.
No, it's me and my say. I didn't do that. Mama.
So where are we?
Come in and I know you from Instagram. You go my way.
you know me from Instagram?
Yes.
You know me from Instagram?
Me know she.
I just that's why I asked her how much. Remember
She had 18.
So you don't like me? What we see them come to shop on YouTube?
But this
It's like prank. It's really a prank.
No. It's my phone. It's better.
Why? You
No,
know?
I always know. So I'm camera. I always
No, she want this in her class. She have that.
I always
She just tell them.
So you would know that before? You never tell us say we are come?
I mean, when
But we just
So all you say you got
a prank. Because I tell most of the routine and I say, I didn't do it now.
But I can't find you tell me.
Yeah, true. That's why you come up and you go by the food. Or something.
Girl, I can't forget that. But I'm not like that true.
Well, that why not really matter anymore. Did I say somebody else like them?
She said, yeah, they're best friend.
What she said?
Tell the girl.
You just not
You are she and her friend.
It doesn't like to me. It doesn't like to me.
That's fine, and but I don't like you.
Yeah, no, when you are.
Me and I don't like because I'm one time.
You know why no people like it?
You know what I'm saying?
Because I like the face.
Yeah, take it for true. You know, see somebody and listen like them.
She know, listen when she tell me, say she not tell me before she started with it because she never want. She don't want peace here. She don't want to be, you know. But you tell her, I said, don't do it, just but me and I kind of. But I don't know why, but me never like that. So why you never like me?
No, we feel like we're not attack here, so I'm not like that. I don't like that.
We just have to tell the truth.
But meditation can be just that sheep and brain, so you could have told me that before.
No, listen now.
So, wait, it just feel like that. Yeah, trying to push you for like.
No, that is not even a part of meditation, no. Not even an inch. You know like me, that I feel basically, that I fear to carry. Not for me.
So you like me?
You know that I like you.
See, I don't know.
No, I feel like I'm not here.
That's fine.
Alright, so
We who?
when I'm not doing it?
No.
Why?
So why you not like that? I am estimate because I'm married.
So, when I have a problem with you, but when I treat, why you not like
No.
me? You don't know why I'm like
So you are sharing a friend, you are sharing a friend.
Yeah, that's
So
all
she
I'm
don't
saying.
like me, you can't like me. That just say go. Me and her friend feel like me, you can't like me.
But you're not a best friend, you're not a close friend.
And I'm okay for
So, yeah,
Me na ako ang No, but what I'm saying, no, when me she love me, you could have tell that before we come and even find out this is not.
no, listen, everything that is going for me, because we not being person, we don't have a problem.
That's the way I feel.
Before you was our here.
This has to be my friend.
You feel like I'm wrong. You know, I'm just feel like I'm wrong. If we have a video, we still want the video?
No! Me not pretend to be you.
Alright, let's go on.
Sign.
Ready? Yeah, let's go, because I use words, right?
All time, like, go.
We just have a feeling and tell them a prank quick. So we just carry on with it. And tell us that we don't like them neither. So we just a customer go. But we expect them to come back.
What a girl, Bright.
We know see a prank. See our video, yeah? We know see a prank. We think we don't see a prank.
what? You better insert that clip here in a 1 hour video way. No. Me did that thing say. Alright. She did calm. Insert this in your video.
She did calm. Yeah, she
in
know.
your video. What?
Look over there, sit down easy. Come here, say this.
Yeah, she everybody she knows. She don't know say a
Let me
prank.
tell you.
I first
At first,
say a
I said
prank.
this is a prank, but then me I look for the, then me I said no man. If I'm a prank and this serious, then I go on myself see and weird. But when the post have it, I'm gonna make full part. Not for the video. She say we know see a prank.
Yes, you never know say a prank. You don't gonna say a prank just in case.
Me never sure what me I said. Just in case I want prank. I know one prank. Because you know you can never tell. You never sure.
But me did just
What?
feel like a prank too. She said she don't love me. Just feel like say a prank.
Me don't know she, I mean, I know if she always talk and laugh like
Come on
me.
to prank.
Girl, let's tell her at one point, I don't know what we say.
Exactly. Me don't know how to start it because you come. Because we expect you to call our phone, but you come.
You just pop up something long. We don't try any camera.
So we are trying to edit camera.
Where you hide it?
Find the bar right now.
I mean, I look round enough.
When I time I see she go, you know the cover they have a glass them, she go beside the sun like she look which part she hide the camera last time. If you hide it, they say if it don't feel, you get pranked. You get
We
pranked.
never sure.
So you get pranked because you get pranked.
We get pranked.
But me did just have to go to the phone and last time when she said she ready to call her, she carry me come down.
Exactly. If it don't feel, you get pranked. You get
We
pranked.
never sure.
So you get pranked because you get pranked.
We get pranked.
Me did just have to go to the phone and last time when she said she ready to call her, she carry me come down.
Exactly.
Me have to go with her.
But I know say you're not enough because you say, are you coming? So, are you coming? So, no, leave her leave or something like so.
Guys, another video.
You know,
Anyways, guys, I know say you see, say, yeah, them get prank and them get prank good. So, like the video, subscribe, comment. Remember to go over them channel, I put it in the description box. Yeah, remember to go over Chantal's channel. All right, in the description box. So, yeah, until next time, I'm a girl Fisher. Bye.